Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be seeing if we can sublimate on Dollar Tree napkins. These are the regular like party luncheon napkins, 20 count. And these are just the regular thin 150 count. Well, the Dollar Tree is not the Dollar Tree, it's the $1.25 tree. So, enough of that. Let's see what we can do. First, we're going to start by measuring the napkin for full coverage. So it's 6.5 in width and 6.5 in height. Now I'm going to do a center image that's going to measure 4 inches in width and 4 inches in height. Now here's the other napkin. It's measuring at almost 5.5 by 6.5. So now we're going to do a center image on this one with measurements of 4 by 4. So I'm going to print my images from Silhouette Studios. So I'm just going to go up to Files and find the images that I want, which I have already chosen them and put them in a file. And now I'm going to select all of them and bring them over to Silhouette Studios. Now this image will be a 4 by 4 image. So I'm just going to go up to the top and make the height by 4 and the width by 4. And I'm just going to double click and duplicate it 3 more times. I am only using one of these images on this video. Now we're going to move on to the full coverage image. This design will cover the entire napkin. This design is 6.5 by 6.5, but I'm going to make it slightly larger. You'll see why later in the video. Now we're going to print the image. Always remember to flip horizontally. This clip is just showing my images being printed. Here are some of the images that I printed. Now I'm just going to cut out each image that I'm going to use for a napkin. And as you can see, I try to cut as close to the image as I can. So here I'm just going to set my CRICUT heat press at 20 seconds on 400 degrees. And this is butcher paper that I cut up to protect my mat and heat press from the ink. Okay, now on this first napkin, we're going to use a full coverage image, the one that I made slightly larger, so it can fit the entire napkin. You always want to give yourself a little give when you're doing a full coverage image. So now you can just watch as I place the images on the napkin and press them. I'm going to show you all of them at the end. Now that we're all done, I'm going to place all of the luncheon napkins on the top row and the regular napkins on the bottom row so you can see how they turned out. Now I'm going to close this video out with saying thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can receive an alert when I drop my next video. See you soon.